I know what you're thinking reading the title of this video, Becoming a Digital Nomad in 2021 with the coronavirus out there. Well, look, in this video I'm going to explain to you why 2021 is going to be the best year ever to become a digital nomad, even with coronavirus, with zombie apocalypse, or God knows what. I'm Alessandro Di Ruscio and I am a digital nomad. And in this channel I teach you how to get private and remote clients in order to get back your personal freedom and work whenever you want, wherever you want, and with the clients you want. If you like this, subscribe to this channel with the red button that you have below this video, and do not forget to click on the bell in order to receive a notification every time I would post a new video here. Before I explain to you why 2021 is the best year to become a digital nomad, let me tell you a short story. I decided to quit my full-time job around 5 years ago. Everything I wanted at the moment was to get out of my cubicle, on my 9-to-5 situation, and become a freelancer. Work for clients that were remotely and have the possibility to travel and work and see more of my family, see more of my friends, be more flexible. So the first thing that I did in order to get remote and private clients and quit my 9-to-5 position was to use one of those remote job websites. Those websites that are posting just remote positions. But I realized pretty quickly that those websites, they don't have so many positions. There are a dozen positions, for example, and the competition is fierce. It's so full of people applying for the same remote positions because they are dream jobs, right? Getting one of those remote positions was the same as winning the lottery. So I decided to change a little my approach. I started applying for normal positions. On websites like LinkedIn, Total Jobs, Indeed, I applied for normal positions and I added a little contractual notice on each letter that I was sending. Something like, I want to work for you, this is my CV, this is my portfolio, but I want to work remotely. Now imagine those companies and those recruiters receiving hundreds and hundreds of applications every single day. And among those applications, there was my application with a contractual notice, contractual letter saying that I wanted to work just remotely. How many of those companies or recruiters do you think came back to me? No one. And I can't blame them. I mean, they receive a lot of applications from people that want to work on site for those positions. Why should they choose me that I want to work remotely? This short story is just to tell you that back at the time, it was so tough. It was so difficult to convince someone to work together, someone who never met me in person, to work together just remotely. It was so difficult. And this leads us to 2021. If we have to find a silver lining on the entire coronavirus situation, is the fact that remote works are the new normal. A recent study discovers that employees that are working remotely are happier about their job and more productive. So companies are getting okay with this kind of collaboration. In next years, working remotely will become a lot easier, at least 10 times easier than it was in the past. But there are some adjustments that you should do to convince someone to work with you remotely, even if it's easier than in the past. For example, your online identity will become really important, much more important than right now. If at the moment a recruiter will check your LinkedIn profile in order to see what you did in the past, what are your experiences and everything else, now they will check a lot more than just your LinkedIn profile. They will check your Facebook profile, they will see if you have a YouTube channel, they will see if you have a blog, they will try to get all the information possible about you because they need to trust you. They need to be sure that even if you work remotely, you're someone they can trust. I can tell you that this YouTube channel was a big help for me when I started to work with remote clients. They checked my YouTube channel and they realized that I was really serious with what I do. And they decided to collaborate with me after watching a few of my videos. You need to start thinking that your online identity will become as important as your CV or as your portfolio. And for the people who think that becoming a digital nomad doesn't make sense anymore because of the pandemic, I can honestly tell you that being a digital nomad is not just about traveling. Being a digital nomad means that you will have more flexibility with your work. You can work whenever you want, you can work during the night and during the evening. You can pick your own clients, so work for the projects you want to work for. You can decide how much to earn because you are the person who decides what are your rates. And at the end, you will have more motivation to work on your own stuff. Personally, I was bored with my 9-to-5 job. I was bored to wake up in the morning every single day, early, taking the tube, go to the same place, see the same people every single day and do more or less the same things. I wanted to work for different projects, I wanted to meet different people, I wanted to work whenever I wanted and wherever I wanted. So this is a complete different way of working. And if you are right with your 9-to-5 job, well, it doesn't mean that you can't make some money on the side. Maybe you can work with a few clients and then when you realize that you find a client you really like to work for, or maybe you realize that this side projects you have is a lot more interesting than your 9-to-5 job, then you can switch. But you can go with two things at the same time. You don't have to choose one or the other. If you want to learn how I find clients consistently, private and remotely, well, I have an online training for you that is completely free. You have the link in the description of this video, so click on the link and then apply for the online training that is around 1 hour and it's totally free. Otherwise, if you want my personal help and you want to become one of my students, people that I teach how to find clients consistently every month, well, you have a link below this video to schedule a call with me as well. If you like this video or you like this channel, well, as I said at the beginning, subscribe to it and like this video. Based on the number of likes, I realize what kind of videos I have to create and post on this channel. For the rest, thank you very much for watching, and for any questions or doubts, use the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.